Hello, it's been a while since I made a montage video. Here it is. I got a shoulder injury, so I couldn't work out, and also got a new phone from my lovely family. And so I thought, why not make a montage video? It's been a while since I played the game. It seems I still have a little bit of my skill, but don't expect much from me since, well, I just got back, so it's not gonna be as good. Either way, enjoy.
Get down, sniper! Sniper eliminated!
Wah, dia salah tadi bang. Beda dua orang. Anjing dibantai tuh.
Target down! Contact with enemy!
Enemy hit. Drop the bomb. Bomb spotted.
Sniper down! Sniper! Reloading! Cover me! Tango down!
Nah, oke, mau.
Enemy down!
Bomb has been planted.
Enemy down! Oh god, starting to rain. Eliminated.
Bomb has been planted.
Enemy contact! Target down! Let's go, let's go! Enemy in sight!
Nice work. Get ready for the next.
Sumpah. Gila cepat banget terkilnya, Cok.
Bomb has been planted.
Ajar. Wah, Ih, ngandok di situ berdua, Cok. Anjrit. Mereka gila, Cok. Aku jaga hidup sendiri dulu anjir.
Enemy in sight!
Iya.
Yoink!
Ngapain bikin klip anjir? Lu dari dekat aja dah panik. Anjir, sakit, Cok. Depan. Cok. Oke.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Pakai skin rare bisa satu ya guys ya. Oke. Dalam B tuh.
Last man